Hey there, beautiful people. Glowing star. What if I told you that something as simple as cinnamon and honey could totally transform your skin in just 7 days? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, get ready, because today we're diving into the Cinnamon plus Honey 7-Day Face Challenge, your natural shortcut to clearer, glowing skin. Woman tipping hand sparkles. Stick around till the end. I'll show you exactly how to use it, the best time to apply it, and what results to expect each day. Why cinnamon plus honey? Let's start with why these two ingredients are a dream team for your skin. Honey. It's not just sweeten your tea. It's a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin. It's also packed with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Bye-bye pimples and redness. Cinnamon. This spice isn't just for your latte. It helps boost blood circulation, reduces acne-causing bacteria, and gently exfoliates your skin. Basically, it's your skin's new best friend. How to make the magic mask. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of raw honey. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, organic if possible. Mix them together in a small bowl until it forms a smooth paste. That's it. 2 ingredients. 1 miracle. Ready to glow up? Here's your 7-day plan. Day 1. Apply the mask to a clean face. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. You might feel a slight tingle. Totally normal. That's cinnamon working. Your skin will feel clean and fresh. Day 2. You may notice a small pimple trying to come out. That's detox. Don't worry. Apply the mask again and let it draw out those impurities. Day 3. Skin is calming down. Less redness. You're already looking a bit brighter. Keep going. Day 4. Your skin texture will start to feel smoother. You may want to touch your face all day, but don't. Day 5. That glow is starting to show. Any small acne spots are starting to fade. Apply the mask, and don't forget to follow up with a gentle moisturizer. Day 6. Confidence boost incoming. Your face feels firmer, pores may look smaller, and the tone is evening out. Day 7. Take a good look in the mirror. This is your cinnamon plus honey magic moment. Clearer, softer, more radiant skin in just 1 week. So, are you ready to try the 7-day Cinnamon plus Honey Face Challenge? Let me know in the comments if you're in, and don't forget to tag me in your results. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves skincare, and hit that subscribe button for more natural beauty tips every week. Remember, nature knows best, and your glow is just getting started. See you in the next video. And until then, stay radiant.